Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 1, PE and Health 8, Lesson 5, Week 5 and 6 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Scoring, Prevent Scoring, Restart, Play and Transition. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Understanding softball scoring rules. Instructions. Video number 1, Softball Rules, How to Play and Score. Processing questions. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Softball scoring rules. Number 1, scoring runs. Number 2, home runs. Number 3, innings. Number 4, outs. Number 5, walks and hits. Number 6, errors. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity 4, situational scrimmage. Setup. Softball game scenarios. Number 1, bases loaded with 2 outs. Number 2, runner on second base, with 1 out. Number 3, no runners on base with no outs. Number 4, runner on third base with 2 outs. Number 5, runners on first and third with 1 out. Number 6, runners on second and third with no outs. Number 7, runner on first base with no outs. What you need to do. Things to think about during the game. Number 1. Base running. Number 2. Hitting strategy. Number 3. Defense. Making generalizations, learner's takeaways. Activity 5, player positions. Draw yourself as a softball player. Instructions. Making generalization, reflection on learning. Activity 6, journal writing. Instructions. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Activity 7, short quiz. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.